Imagine if you could lower your blood pressure using things that are already in your kitchen without relying solely on medication. Teas, roots, natural juices, homemade remedies that your grandmother probably already knew, but that science is only now confirming. Seems too simple, right? Well, today I will show you 5 options that really work and can become your allies in everyday life. I am Eddie Rodriguez from the EDU Health Tips channel, and here I speak clearly and practically about how to take better care of your health. So go ahead, leave a like, share with those who need to control their blood pressure, and tell me in the comments if you've already tried any of these methods. Let's start with beets. Many people don't like the taste, but they are powerful when it comes to blood pressure. This is because they contain substances called nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This nitric oxide relaxes the blood vessels, thereby lowering blood pressure. It is scientifically proven. The problem is that beets also contain sugars. For those who need to control their sugar intake, a practical option is beet supplements, which concentrate the benefits without excess sugar. But there are 2 points to watch out for. People who have had kidney stones should be cautious, because beets are high in oxalates, and if your urine turns reddish after consuming, don't be alarmed, this is normal and harmless. Now let's move on to hibiscus. The tea made from this flower is already quite well known in Brazil, but not everyone understands why. Hibiscus has an effect similar to some medications used for blood pressure. It helps the blood vessels relax, facilitating blood circulation. Additionally, it is rich in antioxidants, which are substances that protect the body against inflammation and premature aging of cells. These antioxidants help keep the arteries clean and flexible. Studies show that drinking 2 to 3 cups of hibiscus tea daily for a few weeks can lower blood pressure by up to 10 points. It is a very similar effect to that of a mild blood pressure medication. But be careful. Those already taking medication should consult their doctor, as there may be interactions. Some people may also experience allergies or stomach discomfort. The third ally is garlic, especially in the form of aged garlic extract. It better concentrates the active substances that help relax blood vessels, but fresh garlic also offers benefits. Regular consumption can help naturally lower blood pressure. The problem is that garlic can cause gas or intestinal discomfort in some people. Additionally, it has a mild blood-thinning effect, so those taking anticoagulants should be extra cautious. Still, it is one of the most well-studied natural foods for high blood pressure and has a centuries-long history of popular use. The fourth item on the list is pomegranate juice. Red, tasty, and full of antioxidants, it also helps to lower blood pressure by an average of 7 points. These antioxidants protect the arteries, reduce inflammation, and improve blood vessel function. The challenge is that pomegranate juice contains a lot of natural sugar, which can be a problem for diabetics. An alternative is to use pomegranate extract capsules, which offer the benefits without the excess sugar. But here's a warning. Both hibiscus tea and pomegranate juice act similarly to some blood pressure medications. If you are already taking medication, you should not overconsume these two to avoid additive effects. It's always worth consulting with your doctor to find the right balance. The fifth home remedy is hawthorn, also known as hawthorn. This plant has been used for centuries to care for the heart and has been tested in modern studies. In a 12-week study, people who took hawthorn extract twice a day experienced significant drops in blood pressure, 17 points in systolic and 9 points in diastolic. An impressive result for a natural supplement. It works by helping blood vessels relax, increasing nitric oxide production, and improving the inner lining of the arteries. Hawthorn can be found in capsules, but it is important to choose reputable brands to ensure quality. And here I want to leave an important message. High blood pressure is a serious matter. It greatly increases the risk of stroke, which is the leading cause of permanent disability worldwide. I have heard people saying they would prefer to have a heart attack than live years after a stroke, relying on a wheelchair. Therefore, you can't play around with blood pressure. If you can't control it just with diet, exercise, sleep, and these natural allies, professional monitoring is necessary. Sometimes, medication is needed and can save your life. These homemade remedies can indeed help, but they work much better when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Eating fewer ultra-processed foods, reducing salt, increasing fruit, vegetable, and fiber intake, staying active every day, and sleeping well are the true pillars. Teas and supplements serve as support, not as a magic solution. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever drunk hibiscus tea or pomegranate juice to help with blood pressure? Have you tried using garlic or beetroot regularly? Write your experience in the comments below. What you share could help others too. If this video helped you, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the EDU Health Tips channel. Activate the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming content, because every week I bring practical tips to improve your health simply. And before I finish, tell me, do you want me to make a video comparing these natural remedies with the most common medications for blood pressure? Or would you prefer a practical guide showing how to create a plate that helps keep blood pressure under control? Write it down below, because the most requested suggestion becomes a topic here on the channel. Remember, taking care of your blood pressure is taking care of your life. Don't wait for symptoms to appear because hypertension is silent. Take care today to live better tomorrow. See you in the next video.